family-run business. My mom did a 70-day juice cleanse. She had incredible results. Her friends wanted to emulate those results, and fast forward a couple months, we turned our kitchen into a mini juicing facility. Every single day we were juicing for 10, 20, 30 different people. Dan played professional hockey, I played hockey my whole life. So we always used nutrition as a tool, but we never really thought that anyone else was really interested. Developed a wide range of different salads and soups and booster shots, and we've created vegan cheesecakes. Everything is quick service. It's a huge anti-inflammatory, increasing our water intake, really good for our digestive system if you're battling IBS. We just launched this, available at stores, online. Celery juice every morning is becoming a huge trend, and people are really seeing the benefits.
I'm trying a sample of the smoothie Berry Blast. Wow. So it's got strawberry, banana, lemon, goji berry, chia seeds, and agave. You can really taste every single nuance of all the flavors inside. Very healthy, very sweet, and I honestly feel like if I was on like a juice cleanse or something, and if someone's like, hey, you have to have this, and this is all you can have for a week, I feel like I could probably do it because this is how good it actually tastes.
While juice being their main focus, they do also have options: great protein balls, cupcakes, and a variety of healthy snacks. After stuffing my face full of healthy foods, I grab a smoothie, a Project Blue, with kiwi, apple, banana, chia, and agave. And I can honestly tell you, I feel healthier already.